So this is the original version of the PDF single page document, and this is the translated version of the same document into Urdu, and it was done just by one click. And no, I am not going to show you the Google Docs or Google Drive method. That is a little complex. I have seen a few of the tutorials. I'm also going to show you an online free method, and it is also provided by the Google, but it is more easy, and let me show you how. So instead of using the Google Drive or Google Docs method, which you can see in the other tutorials, this one is easy. On the Google Translate homepage, you can see that on the top you have 4 options: text, images, documents, and website. So in our case, we need to click the documents, and then we need to browse our file from our computer. So I have uploaded the file. It is a single page document in English. So we are here, you can select the language. In this case, in this particular tutorial, I'm going to select it into Hindi language, and then I'm going to click translate. So depending upon the size of the document, it is going to take a little or more time, but my document is done since it is only 52 kbs and single page. So we are just going to click download translation. So our document has been downloaded. Let's click and watch this document. So you can see here that the same document has been translated into Hindi, but you will get this machine translated by Google. It doesn't matter. Similarly, I have shown you that earlier I translated the same into Urdu. So I would highly recommend that instead of using the Google Docs, you use this Google Translate method. It is easy and it is quick. Thanks for watching.